What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Prohibition cocktail series. This week we'll be doing a Scofflaw cocktail using Odd Society Spirits Prospector Rye. All right, enjoy. Alright, so the cocktail, the Scofflaw, this little beauty, invented by, reportedly, a bartender named Jacques in Harry's New York bar in Paris. I know, shocking. It wasn't Harry Macalone. Reportedly made it, named it after the unlawful drinkers of the Prohibition. So a Scofflaw is an unlawful drinker of the Prohibition. The term Scofflaw was coined from a contest based on trying to create a name for the people who would drink during Prohibition. Scofflaw was the winning word, so therefore that's what they called all the people who drank during Prohibition. For the Scofflaw, what I did was I used Odd Society Spirits Prospector Rye, which is 100% rye, 100% BC rye, and then I used Noilly Pratt, which is dry vermouth, fresh lime juice, a Grenadine that I made, and orange bitters. It's not a cocktail that you see very often ever anymore, but it's actually a nice cocktail. It's not overly sweet by any means. It's actually quite sour. My first taste of it was, I wasn't super into it at all, but I've come very much in love with it, and I actually find myself getting cravings for it. Like, I actually do genuinely enjoy this cocktail. Odd Society Spirits, I've been meaning to pop into them constantly. I drive by them like twice a month. Every single time I drive by, I have to go, I'm going to a shoot and I can't be late, so I can't pop in. But it's like my number one on my list. I will pop in there eventually. I just don't know when. So yeah, that's all for me today. I'm gonna go enjoy my cocktail and get back to it. Cheers.